Every great snack begins with fresh ingredients, crispy, golden, and full of flavor. Here's what you'll need for our fritters: grated vegetables, flour, eggs, salt and pepper, and oil for frying.
Combine the vegetables, eggs, and flour and mix gently into a smooth batter.
Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and your favorite spices, the secret to extra flavor. Heat a pan with oil. It should be hot enough to sizzle when the batter touches it. Drop spoonfuls of batter carefully into the hot oil and fry until golden and crispy on all sides.
Remove the fritters and drain the excess oil. Crispiness is key. And finally, serve your crispy, golden fritters with your favorite dip, a snack everyone will love.